In this segment, I'd like to discuss how my law firm goes after drunk drivers that have caused a wreck with one of my clients. And it angers me whenever a person has too much to drink and then they drive on our highways. Not only are they putting their life at risk, but they're also endangering everyone else that shares the road with him. A few years ago, I co-authored a book, Consumer's Advocate, and I wrote a chapter entitled The Morning After, Helping Families Cope After a Drunk Driving Wreck. Please allow me to share some facts about drunk driving that I mentioned in that chapter. Every day in America, on average, 28 people die as a result of drunk driving crashes. Almost every 90 seconds, a drunk driver injures a victim in a car crash. An average of 1 out of every 3 people will be involved in a drunk driving collision in their lifetime. These statistics are frightening. And here's some more facts. 12 ounces of beer equals 5 ounces of wine equals 1.5 ounces of liquor. All these drinks contain the same amount of alcohol. A driver's impairment is not determined by the type of drink, but rather by the amount of alcohol ingested over a specific period of time. Only time can make a person sober. Drinking coffee, exercising, taking a cold shower will not help. The average person metabolizes alcohol at the rate of about 1 drink per hour. Now let's talk about what we do for our clients. If a client of ours has been injured because of a drunk driver, we go after compensation and punishment. Now, by compensation, we pursue damages against the defendant to compensate our client for the following: their injuries, their medical expenses, their prescription charges, any lost wages, and money for their pain and suffering and emotional suffering. Now let's talk about punishment. And let's break this up into 2 areas, criminal and civil. The district attorney or the solicitor will be pursuing the criminal charges against the defendant for driving under the influence of alcohol. Certainly, we will cooperate with them in any way that we can throughout the investigation. But the punishment I'm talking about that we handle is in the civil arena. We will go after the defendant driver for punitive damages. All right, what are punitive damages? Well, these are damages the law allows us to pursue to punish a defendant for their bad conduct and to deter the defendant from repeating the bad conduct. Because the defendant driver caused a wreck while driving under the influence of alcohol, Georgia law allows us to seek these punitive damages. Juries do not like it when someone drives while intoxicated and harms someone else on the road. And their award of money damages often shows just how angry they can be. So if you or someone you love has been injured by a drunk driver, please give me a call right away to discuss your potential claim. You have absolutely nothing to lose by calling me, but think of all you can lose if you don't.